Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. If you have many products in your shop, you don't have to open each one to raise a price, drop a price for a sale, or fix the stock count. Resogra has a tool called Global Update that changes the same field across all your products at once. In this video, I'll show you how to use it. It takes about 30 seconds. Start by signing in to your Resogra vendor account. You'll land on your vendor dashboard, which shows everything happening in your shop. In the left menu, click Products. This opens the list of every product you sell on Resogra. At the top of the page, click Global Update. This is the tool that lets you change a field across many products in one click. In the price field, type the change. A positive number raises the price, a negative number lowers it. For example, type -10 to make every price 10 lower. You can do the same in the list price or in stock fields. Next to the field, pick whether the change is in dollars or in percent. Dollars means subtract or add that exact amount. Percent means change every price by that percentage, perfect for a 10% off sale across your whole shop. Finally, click Apply at the top right. Resogra updates every one of your products at once. You're done, the change is live on your shop. And that's it. With Global Update, a site-wide 10% sale, a price increase, or a quick stock reset is one click away. Use it whenever you want a change to apply across your whole shop, instead of editing products one by one. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Resogra family.